What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night, wherever you guys are. I'm currently posted up outside at the front of my house with my gate slightly open as I'm waiting for the delivery truck to deliver my Turbo Smart bypass valve. So this is just going to be like a little installation video, and I'm going to try and compare stock to the new one. I don't think it'll be too much of a difference, but I'm just excited to hear it. I just want to see if it will make a difference. How you going? Yeah, not bad. Yeah, it's me. Thanks so much. Have a great day. You too. Let's go. Okay guys, bypass valve has been acquired. If you're wondering why my car is pretty filthy, may or may not have gone to Mexico last night. But yeah, that was my first time drifting last night. It was so fun. Had a good night with the boys. Also, while I was out last night, oh my gosh, that is dirty. While I was out, Jaden hooked me up with this Perrin radiator shroud. So seeing that we'll be working in the engine bay today, we may as well install this as well. Check that out, in black as well, which is what I wanted. So shout out to Jaden, you're a legend. Alright guys, I just gave the radiator shroud a bit of a wipe down, and look how it pops in the sun. That actually looks so dope. I'm so keen to install this. Also guys, it is an absolutely beautiful day. What a day for car part installs. Alright, with the radiator shroud all clean, without further ado, let's move on to unboxing my new bypass valve. Oh, hey-oh. Damn, it's such a tiny little box. Alright, well, apparently on the box they call it a blow-off valve, but it is in fact a bypass valve. So yeah, this is the box that it will come with. If you guys are looking to buy this same one as me, I will leave it in the link below. And let's just open her up. Damn. Okay, so what comes in the box, you get the bypass valve, which I'll unwrap this in a sec. We get the sticker, Turbo Smart sticker, and we get instructions on the website. This is what I'm excited to see. Wow, that is gonna look so good. Damn, in the black as well. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. And you also get a gasket for the bottom here that goes onto your intercooler. Okay, so if you're wondering why I went with a bypass valve over a blow-off valve, is this does not require a tune, and I just wanted to kind of just slap it on. I know it's not going to make the whooshy air atmosphere noises that a blow-off valve does, but this is, I think, a bit more reliable, and it won't make my car run rich. And it's just recirculating. It does exactly what my stock one does, but I think this just hopefully makes a few different turbo sounds and just looks overall a lot better than the stock one. So today we'll be doing my two first engine mods ever. My engine is completely stock, and I'm really excited because I've always wanted to get some engine mods down. I don't actually have any tools, so we're gonna go to Repco and we're gonna go buy some tools because I've just been using my dad's and I really need to invest in some of my own. Keen to throw this on. I'm gonna try to get some sound clips for you. Let's head on to Repco. Alrighty, here we are. You guys already know, we've got a reverse park right at the front of the store. This should be good. I'm gonna try and get some sound clips for you guys of just the stock bypass valve. Hopefully you can hear it because it definitely makes a sound, so I'll try my best to get some clips. I just spotted a Supra. Yo. What? Damn, bro, that's my dream car. Okay, right there, hopefully you guys can hear that. There's a really tiny little psh. All right, let's get our tools. I think I'm gonna start with installing the radiator shroud first, because I don't know why, I'm just super excited with installing that. Yoink. Yes. So this is gonna be my lovely tripod for today. Look at that. Oh fuck, you can see the pin. Look at that, guys. Think smarter, not harder. Oh, she's a bit warm. Fuck me. Okay, so she's going to be going down here like so. So there's a few things I need to remove, and that's why I got my toolkit. Okay, here's my new toolbox from Mech Pro. It's like a glove box one. Sheesh. Not bad. Hey, say hi. His car's cold, by the way. Damn it! I broke my clip. No. Fuck! That is the Perrin radiator shroud installed. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Now that that's done, let's move on to removing this old thing. And yoink. And yoink. And here we are, guys, the difference between my stock bypass valve and my new Turbo Smart one. There's the difference right there. Let's slap this bad boy on. Okay guys, final thing we need to do is to plug in the little line, and there we go. The new Turbo Smart bypass valve is on. Kind of sucks because this is a bit looser than the OEM one. I can always maybe get a zip tie or something and put it around that. Yeah, that's all done. Got got the new Perrin radiator shroud, and let's go take this bad boy for a drive. Alright, let's start her up. Here are my predictions. I don't think it's going to be that loud. I don't think it will be loud at all, because once again it is a plumb back, fully recirculating, so it's not going to go psh, but hopefully it's just a little bit more psh than the stock one. Alright guys, see if it makes a difference. Guys, it actually makes a difference. What? I really hope the camera picked that up. Usually it takes me a lot of throttle on stock intake to be able to hear a psh, and that was like not full throttle, it was a little bit of throttle, and I heard like a chew. I'll try and do it again. Oh, I hope you guys can hear that. That sounds so good. What? Guys, I'm actually super happy with how that turned out. I thought it was gonna like be nothing. Like I thought it was gonna be exactly like stock, but you can actually hear a really high pitch psh and like a piercing sound. It sounds so good. What I like about it is it's not too over the top. Like a blow off valve's like, I don't know, I feel like it's a bit too much for me, and I don't really want it to harm my engine, and I didn't want to have to get a tune for it. I just think that it's perfect for my lifestyle. I love it. It's not too over the top, it's just subtle, and it's good for a daily driver. So I recommend that to anyone. Go cop one. Even with stock intake, it sounds amazing, but when I get an intake, it's gonna be fucking loud. I'm very sorry if I'm sweating like crazy. It is super hot here up in Perth, and I'm boiling. Okay guys, that is gonna be the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you could tell on camera the differences between the stock bypass valve and the aftermarket one. Also shout out to Jaden once again for the Perrin radiator shroud. Go follow him right here on Instagram, and while you're doing that, go and follow my Instagram right here as well. Thank you so much for 4,000 followers. I'm super grateful, and you guys are the best. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little install video. It was super fun, and I love getting to work on my own car and to install little stuff like that. It's super fun, and that's why I got into cars, because it's just really enjoyable, and I get to make videos on it as well. So that's going to be all from me today guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below, and while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.